Hello Bellas, it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. And today I'm going to start a new series. It's called Bella Bites, and it's when I focus on one area of the face and kind of highlight a product that may be new, maybe something that I'm revisiting that's in this lovely drawer behind me here, or it may be something that I just want to feature on my channel and that I've had sitting around for a while. So maybe new, maybe not new, but I will let you know what it is and how I'm featuring it in these Bella Bites. So with that being said, hello to all of my seasoned Bellas out there, those who have been riding with me since day one, and to all my baby Bellas out there, those are the ones who just joined me, welcome back as well. And for those who are just clicking on this for the first time, hello, welcome. Don't forget to stay a while, tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. And to do that, you have to subscribe and make sure to give us a like. All right, so today I'm going to be featuring something that I just got. This is part of the holiday collections that Sephora just released, and this brand that I'm going to be talking about is none other than Miss Natasha Denona. So this is her mini gold palette. It comes with 5 shades, and these are the shades up close. Hopefully you can see them. They are beautiful. Athena, and this is a pale taupe shade. This one is Bia, and this is described as a smoky brown. Next we have Dior, and this is a greenish gold. Next we have Dark Sepia, which is a greenish shade, like a dark green, more like an olive. And then the last one is called Lodge, and this to me is a green sparkle color. So those are the swatches. Hopefully they came out. So most of my face is already done. I have prepped my lids so we can begin with the eye look, and then I will finish off with a little bit of mascara, some lashes, and then I will do the lips back here on screen with you. I'm going to be using the last 2 shades, which are these 2 in the green family. I'm going to start off using my Rephr 01 brush. By the way, I am so excited for my Rephr brushes to come in. I have really been loving this brush. It's like heaven on earth. So I'm going to go in first with that dark sepia color. And looking in my mirror, which is over here, I'm going to start applying this all over the lid. When I think I've built up the color enough, I'm going to go in now with that last shade, which was Lodge, right here at the end. And I'm going to, with the same brush, dip into that color, tap off the excess, and then just on the lid only, I'm going to place that color in, and again building it up as I go up into the crease, but not any further than that. Other side. Now for the lower lashes here, I'm going to go and grab a green eyeliner. This one is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. You can use any gel green eyeliner. Grabbing a pencil brush, I'm going to go back to that first color that we used. That was dark sepia. And I'm just going to run this across to smudge in that brown shade and connect it with Lodge, which I put on the other side of my eye in the inner corner. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna throw on some lashes and then I'll come back and we can put on the lipstick together. Hi Bellas, I'm back. So sorry I forgot to do my lips with you guys on camera. I did it off camera as well as putting on my lashes. Sorry, as well as putting on my lashes and throwing on some mascara for my highlight. I did use the Desi and Katie collab with Dose of Colors in the shade Chasing the Sun. So for my lips, since I did not do them on camera, I did use the ColourPop BFF3 to line my lips, and then to fill them in, I used the Pat McGrath. This is in her Lip Balm collection, and this is in the shade Blow Up, which is a really nice neutral shade. Very creamy, very easy to use. I love it. So this is the completed look. I also spritzed with a little bit of Fix Plus just to lock everything in. I'm going to, as my last step, just take my powder brush, dip it in a little bit of the MAC. This is the Mineralized Skin Finish. And I'm just going to buff everything in. Just to lock in everything. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this little mini bite series. As I said, I'll be doing a lot of these as the months go on, just to highlight, like I said, either some product that I've always had in this drawer and that I have not shown on camera, or a new product such as the Natasha Denona mini eye palette that retails for $25. It's a great buy, great for those who are maybe new to the Natasha Denona world of eyeshadow and want to try it. My Bargain Bellas, really, it is a great buy. It's $25, but you really do get the luxe feel of a Natasha Denona product. Her eyeshadows are just divine and I love them. Her and Pat McGrath are like my top two when it comes to really luxe eyeshadows, and I have not been proven wrong thus far. So again, hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Also, don't forget, if you're not subscribed already, please do, and tell a friend to share this video. And when you subscribe, don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. As always, I leave you with a video to catch you up on all things Brown Girl Bella. Until I see you back here again, my Bellas, it's deuces.